pair of cutters in the other, but still I'll try to do as good a job as I can. One just gone, and the other one gone as well. Now she's free to go. What's hanging off her ankles, the remnants of the jesses, she'll take them off herself. And now we'll just raise her up into the wind. हाँ, हाथ थोड़ा ऊपर करो, उसको हवा लगे. There you can see her in all her majestic glory. If you'd seen this bird 3 months ago, you wouldn't be able to recognize her. Her breastbone was absolutely damaged. There's all wounds and dents in it. Her legs were very weak. Her beak was also scratched and cracked from one side. And as you can see, when she just opened her wings, she's molting. You can see it again. There's a new feather coming out. But she's strong and able to fly now. And I think we'll just give her a little nudge. थोड़ा सा हाथ हिलाओ ताकि उड़े. जाना नहीं चाहती मेरे ख्याल से. हाथ हिलाओ थोड़ा सा. Come on, Miss Mini Meringue, go. It's the 4th of March today, 4th of March 2025. You're free to go now. अरे जाओ भाई, चली जाओ, go. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Praise the Lord. There she goes. You can see the crows following her. And starlings are trying to mob her as well. There you can see her. What a beautiful flight. I'm up on the water tank of my house, so I have to be careful. And you'll probably see her make a circle again. Now some people might ask a question as to why I've released her from the top of my house. Well, it's because where I live, there's plenty of prey for them. As you could see, the birds flying around, there's starlings, there's pigeons, there's doves and everything. So they have plenty to feed on before they make a move into the boondocks. Thank you.